Uganda's economy is not yet out of the woods, and businesses and households should generally temper their expectations. In explaining why they left the central bank rate at 9%, Bank of Uganda says that part of the reason is that the seeming recovery following the lifting of the lockdown actually later lost steam.
Since the last meeting in December 2020, the economic recovery has somewhat lost momentum as COVID-19 infection rates surged. Business conditions deteriorated in the quarter to January 2021 after improving in the quarter to October 2020.
The Bank of Uganda stayed away from mentioning the elections and their impact, but clearly there were disruption to any earlier momentum. Resultantly, those who benefited and want to benefit from the Bank of Uganda credit relief measures, you can still visit your bank because now you have another 6 months added to you.
Bank of Uganda will extend for 6 months, effective 1st April 2021, the credit relief measures, CRM, and also maintain the COVID-19 liquidity assistance program, CLAP, to supervise financial institutions.
With growth in the current financial year and the next predicted to stay at 3%, many ordinary Ugandan households will have their lives become harder for the foreseeable future.
Remember that the population is growing in the range of 3.1 or 3. So if you are growing at 3 and population is growing at 3, basically welfare improvement is 0. And even that one assumes that income distribution is even. And remember that there are bulk of the population that are in a lower pyramid of income, whatever. So you may find that the growth we are talking about is going to manufacturing, and the majority of the households are not in manufacturing, don't benefit from manufacturing. So those ones, therefore, will become more poorer. So the desirable growth, therefore, we are talking about a growth of 6.5.
The hope of any serious growth that will affect your household income upwards is greatly anchored on widespread COVID-19 vaccination, which for countries like Uganda, that can only happen sometime perhaps in 2022. So if you're surviving now, that might be the mode to keep. And especially for some businesses, please manage your optimism. Samuel Setumba, NTV Business.